Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be giving all of these slimes a makeover. So yeah, let's just get started. Alright guys, so what we're going to do first is we're going to put all of our slimes in this bowl, and hopefully they all fit in this bowl. I might not do like all of them mushed together. Like, I might just do a little bit of this one, a little bit of this one, and a little bit of this one. I'm not really sure yet, so yeah. So I'm going to start with this one, and I actually think I'm going to do all of this one. It's really nice. It's kind of thick, but kind of thin at the same time. So I really like this slime. It is a little bit sticky, but I'm hoping that the other slimes will help it, like, kind of firm up a little bit, maybe, because I don't want to add activator into it, but I don't want to, like, I don't know, destroy it. So this is what we're just going to do, and we're going to clean this up. And you guys, comment down below some slime dares, because I am going to be doing a video, and I want your guys' slime dares. And I will also give you a shout out in the video. So yeah, comment down below some slime dares that you would like me to do. And yep, I will do them. So the next one we have is this orange slime. It is like the same exact texture as this, but just a little bit thicker. And let me just poke it. And my lighting is a little bit brighter today. I'm not sure if you guys like this lighting or not, so comment down below if you like this lighting. I'm just going to add all of that, and then I'm going to add this slime. And now I know my slimes aren't like perfectly color coordinated like other people's are and stuff like that, but if you don't like it, then just don't watch this video, because I'm not perfect. Not everybody's perfect. So yeah, so here's my little slime ASMR. I'm gonna take it out, and I'm gonna mix it up. And I'm sorry for the dirty bowl. It's because my sister was just using it, and I'm sorry about all the loud noise in the background. So yeah, phone bee just came out. But I think this slime is going to turn out really pretty. Comment down below what you guys think. I don't know what I was about to say. I thought I was going to say video guys or something like that. It's really not bad. I like it. Really pokey now. I like this slime. Oh, by the way, you guys, I forgot to take before and after pictures, so I'm very sorry about that. But, you can just rewind the video or whatever. So, yeah. Okay. So, what I think I'm going to do is I really like the color, but I think we're going to go for a different color. I think since it has green foam beads in it, can you guys see those foam beads? I think since it has green foam beads in it, what we're going to do is we're going to, like, I honestly don't know. I'm just trying to think of something. Maybe we should turn it into, like, a purple, maybe? Because I really like green and purple together. So, let me see if I have any purple. I don't have any purple. But we can try and turn it into a purple slime. I have green and pink paint, so we're just going to be using these paints. So, yeah. Okay, so let me get some paint. I'm going to start with this pink, I think. I can get some of that in there. I do like the color, but just not with these kind of foam beads in them, not with the green ones. But, yeah. And you guys, I do need to get more paint, but our paint box has currently been put away, and I'm not 100% sure where it is. So, yeah, I just don't. Oh, that was crusty paint. I don't know where it is, so this might not completely turn out to be a purple slime because this is all the blue paint I have. And you'd think I'd be more prepared, but no. Oh, so I need to talk to you guys about something. We have currently moved, and that is why our paints are put up. That's why I haven't really been uploading, and this video probably isn't going to be uploaded the day I make it, because it's just not. But yeah, I do like the pink with the green. That's pretty. Okay, it's almost, yeah, it's definitely not going to turn purple, but I do like the pink and the green, so that's a good thing. Comment down below if you guys want me to do live streams. I might do one, but I'm not sure. And as of this video, I'm kind of thinking about doing one, but as of like right now, when I'm filming this video, I'm thinking about doing one. But if I do have one out, comment down below if you want more live streams or if you want me to do my first live stream. I've just been really nervous about live stream because I don't really have very many fans, and I feel like if I was doing it, nobody would really watch. So, yeah. Okay, but I like the color and everything, so, yeah, let's just continue because I'm just talking now. Okay, so here's the color. Let me turn the light off and see if that's better. Can you guys see it, the color? Our lighting is really bad in here, so that is why I have the... It's actually a lamp. I don't even have like a light ring or anything. So I try not to look at it because my eyes are like really sensitive. So. And you guys, I'm going to add some of this peppermint scent. Can you guys see that peppermint scent? So, yep. It doesn't smell bad, but it doesn't smell good. It smells like weird glue and paint. And I only added 2 drops because this peppermint scent is like extremely strong. So that is probably all we need. Oh yeah, I can smell it. I did want to kind of keep it a blue, but I really wanted to add that orange slime in it because it was such a similar texture. So yeah. Okay. Alright, when I'm done with this slime, I will be back with you guys. Alright guys, so now I'm just adding some glitters, however you want to say it. And yeah, so. Okay guys, so I am done with my slime, and it's a really nice slime. I feel like I didn't make any huge major changes to it, but it did turn out really good, and I actually think I'm going to add some of this purple glitter. Oh, that was a lot. But this slime, I really do like this slime a whole lot now. It's really pokey, it's really nice, really stretchy, it's not too hard. I really like it. So, comment down below if you guys like my slime, and I'll come back with the next one. Okay guys, here's the next slime I'm going to give a makeover to. It's kind of like a thick and glossy slime. I really like this slime. I mean, what slime do I not like? Ones that are overactivated. But, anyways, this is the slime I'm going to be giving a makeover. I do not need my bowl because I'm not mixing several different slimes together. And first let me smell it. Okay, it smells okay. So I think I'm going to add a little bit of this peppermint scent again. Okay, we just need, I think we're only going to add a drop in this one because it's really not scented right now. So this should be good enough. So, yeah, that was good, I think. Yeah, it smells good. Okay. And it's really the perfect consistency. So, like stretchiness and stuff like that. So, I feel like I'm not really going to add anything else. Not anything to like deactivate it or make it more stretchy or stretchier. Jesus, and more stretchy. I don't know what to add, you guys. So I'm gonna add some of these glitter chunks. I really like these. They're not holographic, but they're shiny. So yeah. So I'm gonna add those into my slime. Okay. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but you know that purple glitter that I put in my slime earlier? It does have some in it, but I think I'm going to add a little bit more. It has this purple glitter in it. I'm going to add a little bit more because I really like this glitter in slime. Makes it look really pretty. As you can tell, so does my sister. But yeah, or me and my sister like it in our slime. Yeah. So what I think I'm going to do for this slime is it's already kind of like a galaxy slime. So I'm sorry if my voice is going in and out because I'm kind of moving around and stuff. But I'm going to add some of this pink paint to turn it purple. And if you're wondering what's wrong with my paint, like it's super runny and stuff like that, I have no idea. We just have had it for so long, I guess. And it's really runny paint. But yeah. So I'm just going to turn this into a purple, maybe hoping for like a violet shade. Just a really pretty like pastel, however you say it, purple. They kind of turn into like a grayish, purplish color, but that's okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's actually really pretty purple. I like it. Okay, so I'm just going to add a little bit of glitter because obviously it already has a lot in it. I'm going to add some of this pink glitter. Really like this glitter. Come on out. I think I'm just going to add the rest of it. I literally just added like half of that. Oh well. Don't need it anyways. That glitter is so fine and so soft. Okay, so here is the finished slime. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like on this video. If you didn't, go ahead and hit that dislike button. That's okay. If you didn't, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. It's just that little bell icon right next to the subscribe button so you never miss a video upload. And thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below your video suggestions and slime dares. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.